What is going on, everyone? So it's been a few days since I posted here on YouTube, and I'll go over the reasons why at the end of this video if you're interested. However, I do like to save the beginning of these videos to actually kind of what the video is about, what the title's about. But if you are interested in knowing why I have taken a few days off from posting on YouTube, feel free to stick to the end, because I'll explain it at the end of the video. But first, I just want to go over this overview really quickly. Should only take a minute. Bitcoin's price has been staying relatively stable, especially compared to a lot of these altcoins. Ethereum has been taking huge hits. I think Ethereum might have gone under like 180 US dollars. But today is the first day in the last week that we are starting to see a little upward momentum. Again, guys, potentially, what everyone's waiting for is to see if 6K really is the bottom there. We only touched on about $6,000, a little over 6,000 back on September 9th. And right now we're kind of above that. Cryptocurrency as a whole, aside from Bitcoin, has been bleeding a lot. Like I said, Ethereum's been getting hammered, but we see Bitcoin dominance increasing, of course. It was, I think, at 58% yesterday. Right now it's around 56%. But what I want to talk about here, before I get into that as well, Nano, my #1 trade that I've been super excited about. Again, shout out to all you guys trading Nano or interested in Nano. It's the top percentage gain in the last 24 hours in the top 100 cryptocurrencies. So that's cool. That's cool to see. But yeah, this article that is titled "Crypto is having the most positive month in history. When will prices reflect it?" It was posted by Joseph Young. So Joseph Young is somebody that I've been following since I pretty much got into cryptocurrency. He has really great content, and he had this tweet. I can argue this week has been the best week for crypto. His 4 reasons here are that Citigroup is looking into crypto custody, yet another entity looking into that type of service. Gemini's fully audited licensed stablecoin, which is pretty big news a few days ago. EU Commission saying crypto is here to stay. And again, Japan, the US, and South Korea are kind of like the leaders of crypto at this point in terms of interest, volume, and EU has always kind of been, as a whole, the EU as a whole has kind of been a little less involved with crypto. So it's good news that EU Commission, comes out and says that crypto is here to stay. And then Nasdaq is also building crypto analytic tools. He ends the tweet here saying it's not always about the price. So this article then was kind of based off of that tweet. It starts off, the crypto market is having arguably the most positive month in its 9-year history, yet the price of major cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum have struggled to reflect the optimistic developments in the industry. 13 days into this month, and the crypto market has seen Gemini introduce the market's first fully audited and licensed stablecoin. The EU Commission acknowledged cryptocurrencies as an asset class. Nasdaq started to build an analytics tool for crypto, and Citigroup began to explore crypto custody, which are the 4 points of his tweet there. And then CZ of Binance kind of quoted that tweet and had this to say: just watch the price catch up to reality inevitably. It's the most beautiful thing to watch happening to you when you know it ahead of time. And so basically, guys, that's really important, I think, because all he's saying there really is that we see all of this revolutionary adoption and technology coming out and being worked on now, and we also see the price not reflecting it. So basically, it's almost like looking into the future at something. If you would have to take a bet on anything that you think could be insanely successful in the future, and in terms of just investing and having a lot of confidence that your investment will substantially increase in the future, it's really interesting to watch this space, the price not growing, yet all of us deep down know the price will probably explode. Maybe soon, maybe in a year or two, but a lot of us recognize that this space is really just beginning, and these are still amazing opportunities. Crypto, in my opinion, in the long run, really hasn't even started yet. We have not seen mainstream adoption at all. So yeah, it's exciting that you can kind of almost tell the future, because it's very possible that crypto is going to be, the biggest thing ever to happen to finance, and also the biggest thing to happen to your pocketbook potentially. However, prices are not reflecting that now. But again, guys, these are like the times to buy in my opinion, not financial advice. So this titled here, when will it start to show in price? So in July, Balaji Srinivasan, The CTO at Coinbase, the world's largest crypto brokerage and wallet platform, said at the TechCrunch sessions blockchain held in Zug that historically crypto sector has gone through the cycle of bubble, crash, build, rally. So we saw that bubble and the crash, and right now we're seeing kind of like the building. People are, and we've seen it pretty much all of 2018. There's been a lot of crazy good news. For example, I think this news just came out like yesterday, but Bittrex, which is also another huge exchange, is coming out with a Litecoin to USD pair, I believe. So that's huge news, right? Another easy way to get Litecoin, and I think they're also pairing with TRX, I believe, is another one they announced. But yeah, there's just been so much stuff going on, and imagine all the stuff that's been going on behind the scenes that we don't know of, that we haven't heard of, that could be announced tomorrow, that could be announced next week. Because any day now there could be some huge announcement of something nobody was expecting. And most likely that will be the case sooner or later. However, again, guys, price is not reflecting that. Doesn't mean that there isn't amazing stuff going on behind the scenes. And the article continues here, but just how they ended is that while it may sound strikingly obvious, positive developments will fuel the next midterm rally. The difference between the correction of the crypto market in 2018 and previous years is that the industry itself is extremely positive and optimistic, seeing global finance become integrated to crypto finance, as Shapeshift CEO Eric Voorhees noted. So I wanted to come on and share that article and my thoughts on it a little bit. Joseph Young is somebody I definitely respect in the crypto community, and I always love to kind of see what he has to say. So yeah, as for the reason why I haven't been posting as much, my parents on Sunday, they went on vacation, so I was house sitting / animal sitting. Altogether, they have 4 dogs and 2 cats, including my dog, so really 3 dogs and 2 cats. But yeah, that was pretty hectic. I didn't really have time to come back to my apartment and kind of film anything or do anything like that. The other reason as well is I've been pretty involved with my girlfriend's YouTube channel. She's been making a lot of changes and doing pretty well over there. So it's exciting working with her with that, and also, helping her out with any like YouTube stuff, set stuff, lighting, all that kind of stuff. It actually was pretty demanding as well. If you want to check her out, I'll leave a link at the end of this video. It's more of a fun, upbeat type video style, not related to anything crypto related at all. But yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for coming by, guys, and I will see you in the next video.